What's your Oscar? Move.
Okay, guys, do you want to phone? Because I think I'm going to aggravate the situation by me staying.
Yeah, if you found out his emergency. Because you haven't. Because you're just on me.
Let me talk, sir.
Stop. No directives. No directive. No directive. I'm not listening. Come on. Stop giving me directives. Stop giving me directives. Stop telling me what I can.
Welcome back to the channel, everyone. In today's episode, Auditor Yardley Ski is filming outside a police facility when an officer turns up and instantly loses control. No threat. No crime. Just a camera. The detective reacts as if it's an emergency, calling for backup over something entirely lawful. Meanwhile, the auditor remains calm, dismantling every weak excuse thrown at him. As more officers arrive, the tension builds, not because of danger, but because they don't know how to deal with someone confidently exercising their rights. In the end, the backup disappears, the officers retreat, and no one can explain what just unfolded, leaving viewers stunned by the sheer absurdity of it all.
What are you up to, mate?
Sorry?
What are you up to?
I can't hear you, the traffic.
I can hear you alright.
Yeah?
What are you up to, buddy?
I can't hear you, the traffic. I think you keep on calling me mate.
Yeah, that's right, yeah.
I'm not your mate.
Okay, mate. Okay, sorry, sir.
Alright.
What are you up to?
Cheers for calling me, sir.
Okay. Is there any particular reason why you're... What are you doing, sir?
Sorry?
What are you doing, sir?
Oh, no, there's no need to shout.
Well, you said you can't hear me because of the
Oh,
traffic.
I couldn't hear you then. I can hear you now.
Okay, well, what are you doing, sir?
you don't need-
I've asked you 10 times now.
Oh, it wasn't 10.
What are you doing?
I think it was about 5.
Okay, about 5 then. So
Yeah,
what do
yeah,
you do? Can you
yeah.
answer the question then?
No.
Right, you're not going to answer. Okay.
Who are you, by the way?
I'm a police officer. I
Are
work
you?
here.
What is this then? Isn't this just a council bill?
From the start, the detective goes straight into interrogation mode, firing questions as if the auditor's been caught committing a crime. But here's the reality, the auditor doesn't answer, and he doesn't have to. There is no law requiring anyone to explain themselves while standing on a public pavement doing something completely legal. The detective, however, takes the silence personally. Unable to cope with not being obeyed, his ego takes a hit. He reaches for his phone in a panic, acting as though the situation is spiraling out of control. While he flounders, the auditor stays composed, turning what should be authority into pure embarrassment.
I'm the police.
Why?
She's recording a building, mate.
I'm recording a building.
Hello there. Can I have a uniform police officer to come down to... Yeah, please, thank you.
Oh, are you phoning 999?
Yeah, I am.
Are you joking?
You can hear this all right then?
I can hear you talking, but why are you phoning 999? It's not an emergency. Is it an emergency? Are you phoning because there's an emergency? Where's the emergency?
Recording the building, so I just need a uniform.
Where's the emergency?
Assist.
Where is the emergency? You can't be phoning 999.
IG118BL.
You can't be phoning 999. Can you hear me?
No, traffic.
Yeah, well, don't phone 999 because it's an emergency. That's a waste of public resources. Did you know that? Don't be phoning 999. Put the phone down. Put it down. I told you already. Put the phone down.
Yeah, if you get a unit down there.
Why?
HERT, yeah.
Why? Why are you phoning the police? I can't understand why you're phoning the police. You said you're the...
Then it happens. He calls 999. Not 101, the non-emergency number designed for situations like this, but 999, meant for real emergencies, crimes in progress, medical crises, genuine danger. The auditor is doing absolutely nothing illegal, yet the response treats him like an armed suspect. Every gesture, every word screams overreaction. The gravity of the response doesn't match reality. This isn't policing, it's a full-blown tantrum backed by a warrant card.
You know what you said in the beginning? Oh, okay. Whoa!
Hello.
Don't creep up behind people like that. He's a nutter. Could you identify yourself? Can you identify yourself?
Yeah, I'm DC Freeman.
Yeah, what's the shoulder number?
239213.
Yeah, where are you attached to?
Hartford House here.
Yeah, okay. Oh, what's that then? What is this place?
Have you mind what that is, mate?
I'm not your mate. I keep on telling you, moron. Stop calling me your mate.
Yeah, thank you very much for your help. Cheers, Ed. Bye bye. Hello, buddy. All right. I just I'm cycling. I'm based here.
Yes.
And what's happened is I've caught this chap.
Yes.
He's looking over with his phone, recording the police building here. Where you got?
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Get lost. I can move and do whatever I want to do. Well then, move yourself. I don't need to talk to you.
The detective then physically blocks the auditor's path, arms spread wide. Under UK law, a detention doesn't require handcuffs or formal wording. It's defined by restricting someone's freedom of movement. If a person claiming to be a police officer prevents you from leaving, that is a detention, and it requires lawful grounds, specifically reasonable suspicion of a criminal offense. There is none here. Filming in public is not a crime. Refusing to answer questions is not a crime. The detective had no legal authority to detain him.
Don't need to go over there. Don't tell me what to do.
How are you?
Go away. Foxtrot Oscar. Move.
Okay, guys, do you mind if because I think I'm going to aggravate the situation
Yeah,
by me
that's
staying.
fine.
Yeah, you've already aggravated it.
Hello, sir.
Am I being
You're standing
detained?
outside, that's
Am I being detained?
You're not being
Am I being detained? Am I being detained? Why are you phoning police on 999? Huh? Why are you doing that? So what?
So you're not being detained.
I'm not allowed to do that. Get lost. Get
It's a
lost.
security threat, couldn't it? If you-
I can do it if I want to. Watch. With you guys there. Look.
That's fine,
Look.
sir.
Look.
Yeah, that's fine. You can record
Exactly,
in a
I
public
can,
place,
and that's
sir.
what
I'm not
I am
stopping you
doing.
from recording in a
I don't want you here. Go away.
Okay, that's fine.
Go
We have
away.
to be here.
You don't.
Security reasons.
You don't. You don't. It's not an emergency. Look, he's gone. You need to go as well. Off you go. You lot need to go. You need to
You
go.
don't need to go, sir.
Yeah, you do.
Why do we need to go? For what?
Because I'm not doing anything wrong. And there's no need for
I'm
you
not
to be
I'm
here.
not stopping you from recording.
Well then, so go.
I'll be leaving shortly once the gate's shut, so
Yeah, what's your collar number?
my collar number is 2470.
And you are?
1202 above.
Are you recording me?
Yes, we are, sir.
Then why aren't you telling me?
Huh?
Why aren't you telling me you're recording me? No, why aren't you telling me? Why do I have to prompt you?
The auditor even has to ask whether he's being recorded. According to College of Policing guidance, officers using body-worn cameras must inform members of the public at the earliest practical opportunity. This isn't optional. It's mandatory. The public shouldn't have to remind officers to follow their own rules.
Well, you can see that we've got.
No, I
camera,
can't
sir.
see that. How do you know I can see that? The sun's in my eyes. I
Okay,
can't
sir,
see
we
it.
are recording.
All right, next time tell me straight away, all right?
Thank you very much.
Off you go. Foxtrot Oscar. Bye. Off you go. You need to tell them idiots inside that I can be out here and film. Yeah, so why didn't you tell him? Go and get him. He's wasted police time. Go and tell him he's been wasting police time. It's not an emergency.
Sir, with all due respect,
This
sir,
is not an emergency.
You're talking about
It's not
wasting
an
police time.
emergency.
We have to come here, so you're wasting.
Why?
police
Because
time
no, I'm
as
not
well,
wasting
sir.
your time.
Equally.
Shut up.
You are.
I'm not wasting
You
your
are,
time.
sir.
Did I call you?
Huh?
Did I call you?
No, you didn't.
Well then, so don't tell me what I'm doing. Tell him what he's doing.
But you're talking about my.
Go and
colleague
tell
wasting
him then.
police time,
Go and
sir.
tell him he's
You're
wasting your
also wasting
time.
police by making-
Go and tell him he's wasting your time. Don't tell me. I didn't call you.
Okay,
I didn't want you.
This is where the entire situation unravels. The responding officers attempt to flip the narrative, suggesting the auditor is wasting police time. But the response is simple and undeniable. Did he call you? No. He didn't. Their colleague did, using 999 for a non-emergency. Backup was summoned, then quietly disappeared. Yet instead of holding that officer accountable, they try to paint the auditor as the problem.
Oh then, go and tell
Well,
him.
we have to be here.
Don't tell me what I'm doing when I'm doing something lawful.
Get out the road, sir.
Are you going to get out the road? You're in the
I
road
am
as
gonna
well.
get out with you, sir.
Okay, don't come with me. I don't want you with me. No, I'm not going to go over there and have a chat with you. I'm going to be here and have a chat. Why did you come?
I came because my colleague has asked for help.
And what help? What was the call? What's the CAD number? Give me the CAD number. Yeah, I would.
He's asked for assistance, so we've come down to find out what's going on.
Okay, so what assistance did he ask for? This is what I'm
That's all
interested
I've
in.
got. I was directed by my sergeant to come down here to help you out.
Where you based?
I'm Freshwater custody based. I've come down here trying to have a chat with you, but you're not willing to speak to me, only my colleague.
But I don't want to speak to either of you.
That's fine.
But why haven't you told him?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, go on.
That is one of today's date.
Okay.
All right.
All right. So let me just ask you this really straight question. Why didn't you tell him at the first opportunity that I'm okay to be filming? And why did he phone 999? Why didn't you ask him?
I was
Sir,
actually the other colleague.
he's entitled to call police. Just as
You're
everybody
kidding.
else. Just
For a
like you are, as
non-emergency.
somebody else.
For a non.
And here's the question no one wants to answer. Why didn't a single officer challenge the misuse of 999? If a member of the public made that call over someone holding a camera, they'd likely be warned, or even prosecuted, for wasting police time. But when it's an officer, it's ignored. No challenge. No correction. Two standards, one for them, one for everyone else.
999 is there for when you need it in an emergency.
But it was an emergency.
Phone number is not an emergency.
No. So why did he just walk off then?
He walked off to continue with his
Why didn't he cancel it? Why didn't he turn around and say, oh, so, and then what did he expect you guys to do when he's not here? It's his emergency. So what is his emergency then? What is his emergency? Have you found out?
Sorry, sir?
Have you found out what his emergency is?
We were told that there
No. I'm
No,
asking
listen,
you if
listen,
you've found
sir.
out his
No, you're not giving
emergency.
me an opportunity to
Because
talk.
you
You don't want me
haven't.
to talk.
Because you're just on
You're gonna
me.
let me talk, sir.
Go on then.
Okay, you said what was the emergency? Like I've said, our control room has informed us that there was an officer here, and there was somebody filming. They didn't know who.
Yeah.
That's why we've come down, and he needed assistance. That's why we've come here, as you can see, with our lights on, in an emergency, because our colleague needed assistance.
Hold on, so I'm going to laugh at
That's
this.
what we were told.
You're telling me that somebody said to your controller that somebody was filming them, and it's an emergency.
You will believe it. If I could ask you kindly,
Yeah.
please just stay out of the road, because obviously I don't want to get hurt.
Stop. No directives.
No,
No directive. No directive. No directive. I'm not listening. Come on. Don't stop giving me directives. Stop giving me directives. Stop telling me what I can and want. No. Stop telling me what you want me to do. I'll do what I want to do.
You can do what
Okay?
you want,
Well
but
then.
I'm
So
giving-
stop telling me. I don't want to hear. I don't want to hear what you got to say. I don't want to hear. No, I'm standing in the road.
That's fine. It's up to
Well
you,
then.
sir.
So stop telling me
Okay.
things.
Thank you very much.
Off you go. You're dismissed. Foxtrot Oscar. Driver shame. You're coming in with emergency lights for a man that's filming.
The auditor never raised his voice or acted aggressively. He simply stood his ground, asked reasonable questions, and let the situation collapse under its own weight. A 999 call over filming. An emergency response to a camera. A detective retreating from his own backup. And not one officer willing to acknowledge a colleague's mistake. This is what happens when institutions protect ego instead of accountability. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more.